Hi, welcome to TysConsciousKitchen. Today I'm showing how to make alkaline electric roasted tomato sauce. And the items I'm using are currently on Dr. SEBI'S nutritional guide, and they are aroma tomatoes, oregano, basil, onion powder, sea salt, a half of a red pepper, half of a red onion, half of a white onion, a shallot, cayenne powder, grapeseed oil, and agave. So let's begin. First step, we're going to cut the aroma tomatoes in half. We're going to place them in our bowl. Make sure you preheat your oven on 400 degrees so we can start roasting the tomatoes. So after we cut our tomatoes in half, we're going to take some sea salt, sprinkle that over it, and some basil. We're going to drizzle some grapeseed oil, and we're going to toss it. Get it nicely coated. And then we're going to place it on a baking sheet with parchment paper. When you place them, make sure you place them face down. And it's okay if they're touching, it's fine. Now we're going to add our red peppers, white onion, red onion, and shallot to the bowl. Add a little bit of salt also. You can add more oil if it's needed. You're going to toss this the same way. Get it nicely coated. Put it on a cookie sheet. And then we're going to put it in the oven and let it roast for 30 minutes. So at 400 degrees, we're going to roast it for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, the tomatoes are now done. So after the vegetables are roasted, we're going to put them in a high-speed blender. And you can actually remove the skins if you like, and they come off very easily. But what I like to do, I just throw it all together. See how easy it comes off? But I just throw it all together. And we're going to blend it until it's nice and smooth. And now we're going to add our other ingredients, our seasonings, our sea salt, our basil, onion powder, oregano, cayenne, and this is optional if you like that, and agave. And then we're going to blend it on a high speed until it's nice and smooth. Now that the sauce is done, check out the thickness. It's actually perfect. You can actually serve it right now, but if yours is not thick, you can let it simmer on a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there it is, alkaline electric roasted tomato sauce. I'm going to serve this over some pasta, and you can find this recipe in my Volume 5 cookbook. It looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and enjoy.